If you've been staring at a wall of fishing rods and have no idea which one is actually worth your money, this video is for you. From strict budget picks for first-time anglers to premium builds for serious upgraders, this is the 7 best fishing rods for every budget in 2026. Links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The number 1 pick does something no other rod on this list can do. Starting at number 7, the Shakespeare Micro, the best ultra-budget, ultralight rod for panfish and trout. Cheap rods feel like a broomstick or snap on the first decent fish. The Micro avoids both. First, a graphite composite blank in a 5'6" 2-piece. Light enough to feel a panfish thrash, sturdy enough to land it. Next, 6 stainless steel guides with stainless steel inserts that shrug off bank fishing abuse. Finally, a premium full cork handle, warm on cold mornings, clean grip when wet. Cons: line rating tops at 8 pounds, bass and catfish are out of range. The tip is reported as fragile. Reel seat is a single plastic nut, not double locking. Best for first-time anglers, kids, panfish and trout specialists. Not for bigger bass or heavy cover. At $20.93, the Micro is the cheapest credible way to step into fishing. Just starting? This gets you there. At number 6, the Berkley Cherrywood HD, the best classic cork handle rod for budget freshwater. You've outgrown the entry-level rod and want bass fighting backbone without leaving the budget tier. The Cherrywood HD bridges that. First, a hybrid composite blank with blank through handle construction. Sensitivity flows from tip straight to your hand. Next, a medium heavy power rated 8 to 17 pound line, the sweet spot for bass and walleye. Finally, a Type-C cork handle that retains heat on cold mornings. Classic feel, not cheap plastic. Cons: only 6 guides. Reviewers report the tip can break under abuse. Fast action punishes a sloppy cast. Best for bass anglers stepping up from a starter kit. Not for ultralight finesse or anyone wanting more than 6 guides. At $31.99, the Cherrywood HD is the cleanest classic feel rod at the budget tier. Want cork that lasts? This is it. Number 5, the Berkley Big Game Casting Rod. Best budget pick for big fish and surf fishing beginners. Bank fishing for catfish or stepping into surf can wreck a freshwater rod fast. The Big Game is built for that. First, a tubular fiberglass blank rated 12 to 30 pound line. Flexible enough to absorb a runaway catfish, stout enough to crank it in. Next, 7 titanium oxide guides that resist friction from braided line and shrug off saltwater spray. Finally, a Type B ethylene vinyl acetate handle and graphite reel seat. Clean grip when wet at 11.6 ounces. Cons: 1 length and power only. Reviewers report ferrules can crack under abuse. The rod runs chunky. Best for catfish, surf beginners, saltwater bank fishermen. Not for finesse bass or any technique needing a sensitive tip. At $34.99, the Big Game is the cheapest rod here that handles a real fight. Hunting bigger? Start here. Number 4, the KastKing Spartacus 2. Best mid-budget value for anglers ready to upgrade. Most rods at this tier use cheap blanks that lose sensitivity in a season. The Spartacus 2 uses step-up materials. First, IM6 graphite blanks reinforced with 24-ton carbon fiber, the construction class found in mid-premium rods. Next, a power transition system with zirconium oxide ring guides. Smoother casts, less line tangling, even with braid. Finally, an extra tip section included in every rod. Break one in a car door, still fishing the same day. Cons: rubber cork can peel under hard use. Hook keeper placement frustrates some. Best with 2,000 to 3,000 reels. Bigger reels overpower the blank. Best for anglers stepping past starter rods, drop shot and multi-technique bass fishermen. Not for heavy saltwater or 4,000 plus reels. At $45.89, the Spartacus 2 punches above its tier. Ready to upgrade? This is it. Number 3, the Ugly Stik Bigwater Spinning Rod. Best toughness pick with the widest size range. You want a rod you can leave in a truck bed, drop on rocks, and still fish next weekend. The Bigwater is built for that. First, Ugly Tech construction. Graphite and fiberglass composite engineered for impact resistance. Famously hard to break. Next, one-piece Ugly Tough stainless steel guides. No insert pop-outs, no replacements, no excuses. Finally, a Fuji reel seat across 15 size variants from 6 feet 6 inches to 15 15 feet. One family covers freshwater, inshore, surf, offshore. Cons: heavier than carbon fiber rivals. Some sizes lack the clear tip feature. Rubber gimbal can mark car interiors. Best for rough handling anglers, multi-environment fishermen who hate buying multiple rods. Not for ultralight finesse or weight-conscious purists. At $84.95, the Bigwater is built to outlive every other rod in your garage. Want tough? This is it. Quick reminder, if this video is helping you decide, hit that like button and subscribe. All the links are in the description. Now let's get to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the St. Croix Triumph. Best premium freshwater spinning rod and the first true premium step on this list. You've been fishing budget rods for years. Now you want what serious anglers reach for. The Triumph delivers. First, a premium SC2 carbon fiber blank. St. Croix's proprietary material, lighter and more sensitive than standard graphite. Next, hard aluminum oxide guides with black stainless steel frames. Corrosion resistant, friction smooth, designed for braided lines. Finally, a Guide X DPS reel seat and premium cork handle. Build quality you feel the moment you pick it up. Cons: only 6 guides limits long cast performance. Reviewers report packaging issues in shipping. This is St. Croix's entry tier carbon rod. Best for serious anglers ready for premium materials, bass and walleye specialists. Not for budget only shoppers or offshore saltwater. At $130, the Triumph is the entry into premium carbon fiber rods. Want what serious anglers use? This is the door. Now for number 1. This is the only rod here with a hand-turned spalted burlwood reel seat. Here it is. Number 1. The Moonshine Drifter 2. The only fly rod here and the most uniquely built rod on the list. You've graduated past spinning rods and want the most technical side of fishing? The Drifter 2 delivers. First, a higher modulus carbon graphite blank with moderate fast action, smooth roll casts, and effortless long double hauls. Second, a hand-turned spalted burlwood reel seat with anodized copper hardware, a detail reserved for flagship tier rods. Third, AAA grade cork grips, silicon carbide stripping guides, and a 5-compartment embroidered travel case, every component presentation grade. Fourth, every rod ships with a complete second tip section. Break one, keep fishing. The 2 weight to 12 weight lineup covers trout to saltwater tarpon. Cons: it's a fly rod, no good for spinning anglers. Action takes practice. Burl seat varies per rod, so yours may not match the photos. Best for fly converts, premium seekers, gift buyers. Not for spinning purists or anyone unwilling to learn fly technique. At $169.99, the Drifter 2 is more than a rod. It's a statement piece you fish with. Want the absolute best? This is it. And there you have it, the 7 best fishing rods for every budget in 2026, from ultra budget ultralight to premium fly. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going with. All the links are in the description. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.